All right, I'm gonna do a quick review on this door handle that I got on Amazon. At first I was gonna return it because I was having issues with it connecting or even accepting my fingerprint. But I got it figured out, and if I go like this, sometimes I have issues with it opening, but as you can tell, I had to make like, I'd say, I don't know, 4 or 5 different left thumb prints just to make sure I got it right, because sometimes if you like hit it wrong like that, you'll get a red arrow, but if you hit it right, it should open every time. And then a lot of locks, and now you can see it does not move. Close it, lock it up. I can change my angle, come this way, which is normally how I open it. I also can do this way, but sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it does. Then if the fingerprint doesn't work, or if I want to share a code, I can, use a code. Obviously I'm not gonna do it. I've got it muted, so even if I hit a button while my wife is sleeping, it will not wake her up. Same thing with the charm. The only thing you'll hear is that mechanism. That's it. So very quiet, very pleased. And also has a key. You can put a key in here if you choose to, but we don't really use that. And you can share it through the app and make the fingerprints through the app as well. Very pleased.